Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lynn, and as some of y'all know, it's been following me for a while. About a month ago, our middle daughter, youngest daughter, middle child, anyway, she moved out with the two kids. So I've been slowly trying to get the house organized and back in order and easy to keep clean. I made the kids a playroom and changed some rooms around so they don't have toys in here, and it looks great. Now they do bring their toys in here, and I'm fine with that. I can just take everything back to the playroom and close the door if I don't feel like cleaning it. But I still have a few things I need to organize in my kitchen and get set up. So it is raining today, so even when the windows are opened up, it's kind of still dark in here. I don't know how to set my camera to make it brighter, or even, I don't even know if I can, so I'm going to do the best I can with what I got, and hopefully you can see everything. So let me turn you around. Sorry, I'm stuck on kittens. Let me turn you around and show you what I'm going to work on today. Sorry, I don't mean to make you dizzy by spinning you. My husband's still got to go take the trash out, but I want to work on organizing this cabinet and getting everything cleaned out. I need to work on organizing this cabinet. There's a lot of stuff I believe I'm going to get rid of. I want to clean off the top of my fridge and combine all the flour and stuff up there, and I'm got to clean out my refrigerator. I have a lot of leftovers in there from 4th of July, and I may work on, well, you can't really see, I may work on getting my pantry cabinet cleaned out. Everything else, I gotta put a few dishes in the dishwasher, but everything else looks pretty good. Hold on, let me spin you around one more time. Hold on, I gotta find you. Okay. So I'm working on getting everything organized. Been staying on top of everything, and the house looks really good, and it's been easy to clean. And that is my plan, to get the house organized, to keep it clean, make it easy to keep clean, so I can spend less time cleaning and more time with the family. Even though I'm still going to be making cleaning videos, because let's face it, when you got family, you always got something to clean. Anyway, I hope you enjoy watching. I hope this gives you some motivation. And if you see any ideas that I'm doing and you think may look better, or any organization tips, leave it in the comment, and I'll be glad to read it and see if it works. Thank you for watching, and let's get started.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you.
Okay, so I want to show you what I've got done. I organized up on top of my refrigerator. I still got to wipe it down and clean it, but it looks less cluttered and so much better. I cleaned this cabinet out and put some stuff I don't use that much on the top. And the middle cabinet is seasonings and stuff that I sometimes use. And the bottom one is going to be kids' drink cabinet or shelf, and they got more cups. And I got room to put a few more things in there. And I cleaned under my microwave and got it organized, but it's so dark under here, I didn't bother filming it. Also got this cabinet that I keep my dishes in. I got it cleaned and organized. Now, I still got to re-clean up this area and get all this stuff cleaned and put up. Okay, let's get started on this.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. I wake up at your place. wake up at mine. Same question always. I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
Okay, so I got my kitchen clean and organized. It is a little late in the afternoon, but I stopped because we had errands to run. But I got all my Pioneer Woman stuff on the island matching. Looks very nice. I got, it's dark, so you might not be able to see. I got all this reorganized again. I got, hold on, let me spin you around. I got the top of my fridge cleaned off, and I just put everything in those containers up there. It's not something we use a lot, so I don't need them every day. And then I put my crock pot and Instapot up there on top. And then I've got all this organized, nice and clean. Y'all, we don't eat hot sauce. My daughter left it here so she can take it tomorrow with her. This cabinet, sorry if it's dark, I got it nice and clean and organized. I got my hood vent finally cleaned and looking good. All these cabinets have been washed. Now, we didn't make a dump run today. This stuff right there in that box is kitchen stuff that I'm going to see if my daughter wants for her house, and a little bit of trash. And then those boxes right there, I'm going to see if my daughter wants them, because they're good containers. If not, then she's got a place at her house where she's going to keep it in storage. They have an attic. Alright, and I didn't do much in the living room because I didn't have the kids today. Let me show you. My birthday is coming up, and so for my birthday we got I wanted Pioneer Woman pillows. I had that one, but these two are new. I got those for my birthday, and then these two for my birthday. They look so cute. And the ottoman's still nice and cleanish. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. This has kind of been a journey on getting my house decluttered and back together. Like I said, y'all know Brittany and the kids moved out, and I had a vision in my head how I wanted everything to look, and it's finally coming together. I didn't mind her and the kids being here, but you know, we live in a single wide mobile home, so you kind of run out of room quick. And that's okay. You know, they're always welcome. But, you know, now that we have more room, they have a playroom, I could get my house in order, and it has been so much fun doing. It's taken a while, but that's okay. I like to take my time and organize. I got to do a little bit in my room. I've got it organized for the most part. But you can never really be done organizing because you always find something else to do. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every one of you. If you hadn't already, I'd love for you to subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you can get informed when I upload. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every one of you, and God bless.